Guys, it's time for another update video. I'm going to open a new trade today and I'm going to tell you exactly why I'm opening this trade and if it's going to be a long or short. So if you don't want to miss that, stick around till the very end of this video. I will also show you a new chart fractal that you haven't seen before. I'm pretty sure about that. I mean, just leave a comment down below if you have seen this already. But other than that, let's not talk too much. Let's just jump right into the video. As always, guys, I would really appreciate it if you could smash up the like button. Let's try to reach 100 likes. I have just a single video that reached 100 likes so far. So let's reach 100 likes below this video. And also, guys, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Let's just jump right into the content. As you guys know, at the moment, I still have almost $7 to $8 million in long positions open. Here, for example, my $5 million Bitcoin future long trade with almost $700,000 in profit. We already took almost 400K out of this trade, so this trade definitely is our biggest trade at the moment that we have open right now. But this is not really important because you have seen those trades in my past videos. I want to talk about the new trade I'm going to open, because as you guys know, I mentioned in yesterday's video this big rising broadening wedge, which is definitely a bearish chart pattern. Now we are getting another bearish chart pattern right here, a descending triangle, and both of them have a breakout target of around $43,000. So one thing I can already tell you guys, if we should see a daily close below the $46,000 level, I will definitely scale down my long positions once again, maybe down to almost only $5 million or something like that. So I will really take risk out of my trades, scale them down a little bit and scale back into them if we should see a bounce on this $43,000 support level. But to be honest, guys, I'm not even expecting a breakout to the downside. I don't even think this, even though we have two very bearish chart patterns, I know, I don't really expect a breakout to the downside. Why is that? Because we had the exact same scenario almost in the past. And in the past, this scenario didn't break to the downside. This scenario had a huge run up. And I'm going to show you now what chart fractal I'm talking about. And I'm going to show you how perfectly, you see I'm really just taking this chart pattern directly from the daily chart. I'm not changing anything. I'm not moving it or anything. If we just take it and place it on top of our current price action, we can already see what I want to show you guys and what I'm pretty sure you guys haven't seen yet. As you guys can see, Bitcoin is forming the exact same fractal that it formed before we broke our old all-time high of 2017 and had an immense more than 100% rally. And if we just look at this price action, this would bring us up to a price for Bitcoin of $160,000 in the near future, till the beginning of next year to be exact. And not only that, I mean, we don't have any resistance above us, so expecting maybe the price to even pump to $200,000 or $300,000 isn't something out of the books, I think, personally at least. But let's not talk too much about the bigger time frames. Let's also take a look at the smaller time frames to have a better feeling on how probable a breakout to the upside or the downside is. Because of this fractal, I can already tell you guys I'm going to open a new long position. But I'm only going to open a small one to maybe scale it up later if we break this descending triangle to the upside. Only then I will scale up this position, because it's not a guarantee that we are going to continue this bull run. We have two very, very bearish chart patterns. I mean, the possibilities of a breakdown are definitely very high. So we are looking at a 60-40% chance of a break to the upside, to be honest. So we have to be very careful. I still don't want to miss out on this opportunity to maybe hit another perfect long trade before we see a massive run up. So I'm definitely going to open up another like $500,000 long position. So I'm only going to increase my total trade size by maybe around 5%. So it's not really a big risk that I'm taking. because also I took already profits. So if you guys haven't opened a trade yet, or you haven't taken profits yet in this run-up so far, then I could recommend maybe waiting for a confirmed breakout before opening a trade, just to be a little bit more sure that this chart fractal that I just show you will play out. But other than that, on the smaller time frames, as you guys can see, we are still in our falling broadening wedge that I also showed you in yesterday's video. We have a small possibility on the 4-hourly time frame to form a double bottom pattern, and this could definitely help us break out of this falling broadening wedge, which would also result in a breakout out of our symmetrical triangle, descending triangle, sorry, to the upside. So I'm still on the smaller time frames really only keeping an eye on this broadening falling wedge, because this is, I think, really the deciding chart pattern, which is going to decide if we are going to break those immense bearish chart patterns to the downside, or this huge fractal will just help us to continue the uptrend. So I think this is really the deciding pattern. It's still intact, and we still have to wait for a breakout out of this chart pattern to determine in which way we are going to head in the near future. But still, this new fractal, I think, is definitely something the bulls shouldn't miss out on, because this fractal will definitely be this fractal is definitely beneficial for the bulls and not the bears. That's I think very, very obvious. But other than that, guys, I would really appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell. Leave a comment down below. And for sure, guys, I will upload another video tomorrow. I'm very excited for the next couple of days. I can't wait till Bitcoin finally breaks out to the upside or the downside. And like I said, I still see the probability a little bit higher of us continuing this uptrend. But either way, guys, I would say, let's not waste too much time. I will upload this video now immediately, so you can either maybe open a long position as well immediately if you already took some profits and you don't have to worry about the margin you put in, or you guys are at least informed on when to maybe open a long position, a more secure long position. And also, I mean, if we have a daily close below this support area, the $46,500 level, I mean, we could even open a short. Yeah, wouldn't be a problem as well. But either way, we are going to see us in tomorrow's video. Till then, bye-bye.